Alright, y'all. So apparently this morning I entered a GU sale in my sleep or some dumb shit. I don't know what the fuck happened, but I lost $3. So, and then we lost a little bit here. I'm not risking a whole lot with these, but I am risking a whole lot with this trade right here. I'm gonna pretty much risk the whole account damn near because here's the thing. Once you get into profit, like heavy, I know I'm probably gonna end up taking profits. But if not, I'm going to be risking $4 pretty much to make $16 pretty much. And if we get into profit, I'm going to adjust my stops. So I'm going to be moving my stop loss into profit, stuff like that. I was going to risk like 200 points or something like that. Yeah, 150 points, whatever. But I was like, you know what? I said, if we're going to do this, we need to do this. Ain't no point in pussyfooting around with trading. So if we can get below this low here, I'm pretty sure we're going to go lower. Hopefully. I was going to try to just stick with NZDUSD, but I mean, it's whatever, really. So the biggest thing for me is I need to make this loss back. I'm not chasing trades. It's still early. As you can see, it's New York session open pretty much. But yeah, this is the trade for the day. So I'm going to let this run literally all week. And hopefully it don't hit stop loss. I'm not going to close. I'm not going to edit nothing. I'm not going to move stop loss until I get like a lower high. But the reason I took this trade, I saw this pattern that I always tell y'all about, no matter what. The three lows, I seen that and I was like, I'm gonna take a sale. And then considering right here on the quarter point, I was like, yeah, let me get in there. So I got in my sale, as y'all can see, and we're just gonna let it ride out. Like I said, I'm gonna hold this trade. I'm not really tripping about nothing. We either gonna grow this or it's gonna blow. So yeah, we gonna risk that. And then, like I said, once I get into profit heavy, I'm definitely gonna move my stop loss to probably like right there. And then, you know, I'm really hoping I can move it to where I can at least make $5. So hopefully the market drops heavy today, and we can actually put a stop loss around here, and then that way I'll at least make that loss back and then a little bit. So we'll probably be at like $12-13. Realistically, I want this to hit TP. It's gonna be $16.24, and that will bring the account back to like $20 something. But I will catch y'all later on in the day, probably around 3-4 o'clock, and then we're gonna see what happens. I'm pretty sure I got a pretty decent entry, as y'all can see. It's right here on the wick. So yeah, I'm in the hospital right now, so I gotta go. I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, so it's 2 a.m. I just left the gym, and my first set entry, it went down, gave me another lower high. So y'all know me, sell below lows. My entry is literally right here up under this low. Boom, entry. Then I got some more entries down here for whenever price drops a little lower. I upped the lot a little bit. I know I said I was gonna stay on 0.01s, but I upped the lot a little bit. I'm expecting price to go to the next quarter point because we did break below that, and it may do it, it may not. I got my stops in profit though, so I'll make just a little bit, like 5 cents. That's just because of where that price is. We didn't get in at like a high price, like around here or something. So it's not a terrible price, but it's not the best price. But y'all know me, again, my entries are below the previous lows. And I know it's not technically a low because the low will be down here, but same difference. Lower the candle, lower the whatever, but whatever. I'm gonna keep an eye out on this area though right here, because this could be an area where price wants to continue to buy. So if we can get a clean break and close below this, then I'll be chilling. Like I said, I do have a stop right there, simply because if it hit that, price still want to go lower, I'm just gonna drop another sale up under this price right here. So if price can actually break and close that and give me a retest up under here, then I would definitely get another sale entry up under here. I'm gonna show y'all why I took this trade the way I took it. This was my first entry at this quarter point. Price dropped, gave us a new low, and then gave us a new lower high. And then I was like, okay, we'll get a new lower high, we're gonna get a new lower low. This is the only thing I'm keeping my eye on. And like I said, if price can break that, then I'm gonna see for it to go lower. Deja vu, that's crazy. But yeah, so I'm just looking for clean breaks of the lows, and then once it gives me a retest here, I'm probably gonna go for another entry, and then I'll chill out for a little bit, let them go into profit heavy, and then that way by the time these get targeted, I'm up enough in profit to where if it does do a little pullback, as long as it don't pull back all the way crazy to my first entry, then we chilling. But if we like come down here, target these, and then pull back to like right here, we're gonna be chilling because these entries are gonna be up a good little bit. Not gonna be a whole lot, but with the leverage that I have, I know it'll be okay as long as it don't come back above all the way up here. Then I'm chilling. So that's only 2 entries. There's one right here, one right here. These aren't stacked, and actually it's 2 right here, and then there's one right here. So that's only 3. Those aren't stacked. But I'm really going to keep my eye on this level right up in here because I really want to see a break below this, especially considering it left this fat ass wick. I know I'm on a downtrend. It's been downtrending the whole time, so I'm not really tripping about that. And we did break a low here on a higher time frame. So this was a major low in my opinion because it is a higher time frame. We broke out of that. So my next low is going to be, like I said, it's going to be that next quarter point, as y'all can see right here, which as y'all can see, my TPs are around that area. And yeah, and then if price continues to break below that low, then y'all see my next CP is down here in this area. So that's just what I'm looking at for right now. Like I said earlier, I posted in the community tab that we did take a $5 loss. So we are back at $2 in the balance. And then I think we're floating like $4 or some shit like that. I got into some entries with GJ. I was in it too early and it closed my trades out because it was taking away too much of my margin. But GJ still played out the way I expected. I just had too many entries on it. My entry was 195 flat, and then I had some more entries under that. And it didn't really do nothing super crazy throughout the day, but it definitely went a little lower. And I know me, I probably would have closed out just to secure that profit to grow the balance out anyway. But this is what's going on right now. So I'm not gonna play some more trades in GJ because GJ takes out a lot more than NZDUSD. I'll probably start back trading GJ once I'm at like 20, $30. And I also had gotten in, set up a gold sale for 26.50 right here. I had that set with my stop loss above this previous high here, but I did not have enough for my account. This one, my account was at $10, so I thought I was gonna be able to trade with it, but it just, that wasn't enough. I think I need like 13 or 14. But my entry was here, stop loss was here. And I was gonna try to hold it out for the rest of the week, but as y'all can see, it still played out. I just did not have enough in my account. It activated it and it disappeared, and y'all know when you ain't got enough, that's what they mean. So this is what we currently at. It happens, bro. I'm not perfect. I'm gonna show y'all the losses too, because fuck it, it is what it is. As you can see, GJ is what really took the fucking losses. It pulled back. This was a stop loss one, so that was fine. That was only 60-something cents. I should have put stop losses on those too, so I wouldn't lose as much, but it's whatever, it's cool. Again, it's still the same account. I don't know why the fuck it's saying fucking $200. I clearly saw what was in there. But anyway, this is the same account, and these was the losses that I took. Like I said, it happens, bro. So, but once price do take profit off of NZDUSD, which y'all saw all the way down there, this account will be over like $100 and something. I don't know how much of $100 and something, but if all these get target, I'm going to be holding these throughout this week, and probably if price continue to move in my direction, if it don't freaking blow the account in my sleep, because the top 2 entries don't have stop losses. I do not like to trade with stop losses because I know the market does pull back. I know how it plays out, but as long as price don't fucking blow my shit in my sleep, I'm chilling. Only one that's got the stop loss is this right here, simply because I don't want that to pull back all the way up here and it fucks up my account because it'll start eating more. And then because price can come back up here a couple of times and then actually dip off. So I'm not really tripping about these entries right here right now. The reason I'm so confident in holding these for the time being is because price was playing around in this area for the longest. And I was like, if price can actually break below this area right here, this price right here, now I know we're gonna go lower, which it's currently doing for now. That doesn't mean it's gonna go down here and here and here. That don't mean it's gonna do that. But if we're gonna be going to that next zone from the higher time frame, then price is definitely gonna come down here at some point. It may not touch this, but as long as I catch price around here, or at least around here, my account's still gonna be unglued by a good percentage. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a good percentage. I may take a withdrawal or just move the account or move the money to a different account, just so I'm not risking a whole lot. It won't be a huge withdrawal, but I'm probably gonna take a withdrawal out. Just if anything do go wrong, I'll at least have something to put back and start up again. I'm really going to try my best to not fucking like do too much with this account, so I don't have to keep looking for smaller setups, because it's really hard to grow small accounts with not enough room to really do nothing. If I had a little bit more in there, the gold trade definitely would have played out. The GJ trades when they got closed out the way that they did, and I would have been chilling, but it was only $10. GJ fucked me up a little bit. So we're just gonna keep an eye on this, make sure price can actually close and stay below these lows. Because once it's breaking this, once price actually break this right here, I know it's gonna dump a good bit. So it may come down here and start moving around or whatever. But it's London session right now. I'm gonna try to hold these entries. Hopefully New York don't be crazy and shoot up. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna start back doing live trades on London session. We're gonna be out for a good little bit, so every chance that I get, I will be doing a London session video. New York session just does not work for me. I've tried that. I do have another video from that, but I was gonna do like $30 to whatever, but that same day I literally blew the account because I said I was gonna risk whatever, and I was just going for trades. I was literally just going for it, holding stuff, closing stuff, whatever the case may be. But like I said, New York session is not the best. I don't know what it is about London session. I guess because when I first started off, I got used to trading London session and just got, that's usually where I get my interest at anyway. I always get my interest around London session. I don't know what it is about it. I just love it. But yeah, that's that. So we're gonna see how this play out. I'm trying to hurry up because my phone's about to die, as y'all can see. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. Hopefully this shit don't fucking blow in my sleep. Hopefully I wake up to like maybe 15, 20 bucks. As y'all can see, we are at $2 and we're at like $6 equity. So like I said, even if price gets to like somewhere around here, which I know all that ain't gonna happen while I'm asleep, but then again, I don't know. But today is Wednesday. We got Thursday and Friday, so I'm gonna hold these trades. Hopefully the news that comes out pushes the market down a little bit in my favor, and I'm able to actually profit pretty decently off of these entries that I have here. I'm probably just gonna stick with NZDUSD for the time being because I can't really get in a lot with fucking $5, $6, even $10. I can't really hold, especially stacking trades, because if it wasn't for me stacking those GJ, I could have took a $2 like drawdown, but like they was going to draw down way too much, and I also had these targeted already, so I was like, damn, if this shit go against me, that's gonna blow the account. So I was like, yeah, it is what it is. But as y'all can see, this is where we at. Yeah, I had to make a choice because I was like, once I set my stop loss and shit, I'm not gonna touch it. And it just when it gets me way too much. It didn't even get close to my stop loss, it just closed them out. Thank God these NZD trades was in profit at the time, but whatever. Hopefully I'll enjoy these little like $1 to 1,000. It's gonna take some time, bro. Like losses is gonna happen in the market. I'm not fucking perfect. I really, and as y'all can see with GJ, it was going in my direction. I just was in it way too early. Like I said, my entry was at 190 flat, and then I had some more entries. As you can see, this is 195 flat, and then this is 126, or no, this GU. Then there's 195, 188, and then it was another GJ trade. I think I had 3. Or it might have just been GU. Okay, so I had 2 GJs and 1 GU. I don't even. Oh yeah, that GU was the one that I fucked around and got it in my sleep some fucking how. I don't know how did that happen. I woke up and saw it. I'm like, I did not place this fucking trade. But anyway, whatever. Maybe I just forgot. But yeah. So 195, and price went in my direction for the sale, which is what I was doing. But when it pulled back, the other trades was activated, and it wasn't enough. And then GU fucked me up. Like fuck you, GU. But anyway, I'm kidding. I love GU. But yeah, so we're gonna see how this plays out, and hopefully, like I said, I will get to some profit. If anything, I'll probably close out just to grow my balance a little bit, but I really want to hold all of these just to kind of like maximize my profit gain from these, just in case they do go. I really want to get to the point of holding trades to TP, or at least close to TP. If price could get here, or even like right here, I'll probably close a couple of them out just to grow my balance, and let the rest run. That's usually what I do anyway, because I do have 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be 5. I wanted to stack, I really did, but I was like, if I stack and this goes the opposite way, it's literally gonna blow the account. But again, we're gonna see how this plays out the rest of the week, and whatever happen. Again, I'm going to go to sleep. If it blows the account, it is what it is. I know a lot of people are like, oh, why don't you do stop loss? I know the market, it'll pull up, come around, dance around my entry, drop off, and because there's been times where I anticipated closing the GJ trade, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna hold these because I know what the market. It's just you have to be in the market and understand what certain pairs do. So in my GJ trade, this shit got around my entry, bounced. And throughout the week, I was just literally letting it bounce around my entry. I was like, should I close it? Should I hold? I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna hold. And that bitch dumped on the Friday. So We gonna see, bro. I feel like I got a decent entry right now as long as price continue to drop. Once it's like out of my entry range, like somewhere around here, I'm not gonna touch shit. I'm not gonna worry about it unless I see it breaking fucking previous lower highs, then I get out. But once it get like down here somewhere, I'm chilling. I'm not worried about nothing. But it ain't happened yet, so we kind of breaking out of this little zone right here. But I really wanted to go under this, like for sure. I needed to go under that, close under that, and I'll be kind of in the clear a little better. So for those who don't know much about trading and want to get into the, get the basics down, just fucking message me on Instagram or something, Telegram, Discord. It's all in the description. Again, hopefully y'all enjoying these. I'm gonna go because my phone's gonna die. I can tell by how dark my screen just got. But anywho, I will update y'all. And again, whatever happened. I'm not perfect. I don't like stop losses because I know how this shit work. Like I said, the only one that's a stop loss is this right here. And if that happens, it's cool. I'm probably gonna readjust it before I go to sleep to probably around this price. I'm hoping it gets below here and dump down a little bit more. That way, if I can adjust it to at least $1 if it do come back up. I don't want to see it come back here though. This could come back and it'll be fine. It's only one, but still, I'd rather just secure whatever I can get around this area if it does drop down and then try to push back above this. So that's gonna happen. I'll try to remember to record that. I might not. We're gonna see. Friday, I'm gonna update y'all. I'm not gonna do a video every single day, but I will update y'all Friday and let y'all know what happens. I'm just try to like lock in. I have a few days. Today's Wednesday again, Thursday. I may do a live video Thursday off my computer if I can get this account to pull up on my computer. But yeah, so we got to break under this level. I need to get under this price right here and then I'll be chilling. So I'm not gonna stress and watch it. A couple of hours will go by and I'll come back and check. If it goes back and hits stop loss, it's cool. Like I said, I will adjust it at some point. So it's not just 2 cents, probably like 50 cents, 60 cents, because all that shit adds up in the end. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed.